Hi everyone, it's us again. Right now we are on our way to Rogers Arena for
Dua Lipa's concert.
Dua Lipa's concert. We bought the tickets
November pa.
September
November.
9. Yeah,
September pa.
September of last year. So, been a long time.
Oo. Actually, nakalimutan, muntik na namin makalimutan na may concert pala. Pero, noong November, nanood din tayo ng concert ng Lainey, no?
Yeah, noong November, nag-Lainey kami. Tapos, this was still like very far from then. But, yeah, so now we're on our way and we'll take you with us. Probably not gonna record any of the music, but
Sorry.
you can come with us with like the journey, I guess.
So, kung nagtataka kayo, bakit hindi kami nag-car ngayon at nag-walk lang kami? Because
Medyo matraffic pag
traffic.
manonood ka ng concert or events. Pag magsilabasan na yung mga tao, masyadong traffic na. Kaya,
Yeah, at saka yung Rogers Arena din naman, tapat lang talaga siya ng
train station.
yung Stadium Chinatown. So, mas convenient sa amin yun kasi mas mabilis kami nakakaalis. Kaysa sa magdala kami ng car, mahihirapan pa kami maghanap ng parking kasi nga nasa downtown.
Totoo. Ang mahirap lang is yung pag-uwi, pag pagod ka na.
Yeah.
Tapos, okay. Yan. Pag pagod ka na sa concert or sa pinuntahan mo, tapos maglalakad ka pa uwi. Kasi it's a 10-minute walk from the station to our house. So, probably later mag-Uber kami or Evo or something.
Or depende. Kung
Depende.
namin mag-walk, kung okay lang naman yung weather. Kasi ngayon maulan eh. So, baka mamaya depende sa pagod namin. May car share na... O tama ba?
Yeah, car sharing.
Oo, may car sharing naman. May maraming options actually pag pauwi na. Kaya pinili namin hindi mag-car na ngayon.
Okay, so Dua Lipa, if you're watching, we're on our way. Sige.
Alright, see you guys!
Bye. Feeling namin medyo late kami.
Oo, nagpahinga pa kasi kami onte bago umalis.
But it's okay. Dua, wait for us. That's where we're going right now. That's where the concert is. We're at Stadium Chinatown because this stop is that's the concert. So our ticket says that we have to go to gate 3. It says gate 3 over there. So I guess we have to line up and then go. There's so many people that was lined up here kanina, and then now there's less, so that's good. But we have seats, so it really doesn't matter if we line up or not. So they still check your vaccine passports and your ID before coming in.
Yeah, syempre, importante yun guys, no? Kasi maraming tao sa loob at saka yung iba hindi na mag-mask.
That's where we're sitting. Our seats is pretty good because we can like see right clearly. Look at that. Ayan, ang daming tao. Tingnan nyo. Hindi pa yan puno. Guys, meron na magpo-perform pero hindi namin siya kilala. Pero ayan, ayan siya. Lolo. Hindi ko alam eh. Lolo. I don't know. Lolo Buhay? Hindi ko talaga alam. Ayan siya guys. Nagsabi na sa Vancouver.
The last night
Guys,
of the American
Lolo
shows,
Buhay daw.
and we in Canada.
Lolo
This next
Buhay.
song is for my debut album,
Why?
Rise to Lalo.
Ayan na, intermission na naman guys. Hinihintay namin si Dua na ngayon. Ayan si Kato. I think it's like 3 minutes.
Guys, lalabas na daw si Dua Lipa in like 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay guys, 50 seconds till showtime. Dua, are you ready? Because we're ready. Stand by, stand by. Guys, nabalitaan namin na i-cover ni Dua Lipa yung sabay-sabay tayo. Okay. Ayan guys, mga oldies.
Tulong na mga ma.
Ayan sila. Guys, pinatay na yung ilaw. Hype na. Hype na sila lahat.
Who needs to go to sleep when I go next to me? Know you're gonna wake up in this bed in the morning. If you're living, you ain't getting over it. You got me in love again. So many nights my tears fell harder than rain. 'Cause I'm burning up on you. Hey, think control of what I do, and I love the way you move. You can be like these pretty please. I'm gonna baby, you're my lights go out. Hey, thinking of me, baby, I was wrong. I'm on a night, even when you're close. Can't take the silence. I'd rather be alone. Messing with my head. We got each other mad, but baby, that's what makes us good in bed. Always stop saying things 'cause they're all listening. No, the kids ain't alright. Oh, and they do what they see. you where I ended up. I'm open already, so no, don't be scary. I'm not where you left me. And the sun begins to fade.
Hi guys! So, nasa bahay na kami. Kakarating lang namin.
Yes.
Already
We're back home.
12 na actually.
Yeah, the concert ended at like 11, and then we had to get an Evo. Evos are car share,
Car share.
so it's like a car outside. Anyways, besides the point, we got one, and then we dropped by at Wendy's because we got hungry.
Oo, hindi na kami bumili ng food and drinks sa loob kasi mahal. Gusto ko sana pero yun nga, mahal nga. Sabi ko mahal.
Yeah. So, anyways, did you enjoy the concert?
I did.
Yeah,
Did you?
I did. I hope that you guys also enjoyed the concert. It was pretty good.
Yeah.
Kat is a big fan of Dua Lipa. I'm not so much. but-
Fan lang. Hindi naman super big fan.
Yeah,
Alam ko lang yung mga kanta niya.
all of them.
Hindi yun.
Yeah, so
Yeah, so I think i-end na namin yung video guys kasi medyo pagod na kami.
yes.
Galing pa sa work and then straight sa concert and then yeah, siguro yun na.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.
Thank you guys. See you next time.